Packing up our life. It sounded simple at first. Just boxes, suitcases, and a checklist of things to do. But there's so much more than that. Because with every box we pack, we're not just putting things away, we're going through pieces of our life. Memories, moments, things we didn't even realize we were holding onto. Some things are easy to pack. You just fold them, seal the box, and move on. But others, you pause. You hold onto them a little longer because they mean something. This home, these walls, they've seen so much of our journey. The growth, the quiet days, the chaotic ones, and now we're slowly packing it all away. Deciding what comes with us and what we have to leave behind. And that part isn't easy. Because sometimes letting go isn't about the things, it's about the memories attached to them. But I keep reminding myself, we're not losing these moments. We're not losing these things. We're just making space for new ones. New experiences, new memories, a new chapter waiting for us in Kenya. Even though this feels heavy, I know it's also the beginning of something beautiful. And for now, we'll keep packing one box at a time. Let's try. I can't go for it. It's not even giving the effect I want, but yeah, this is what I want.
Your hand, the other hand there, is restricted.
Start.
Okay, there we go. Oh God.
How many kg?
Yes, how many?
20. 20?
22.26.
Okay. In the next video, we'll be packing up some items to donate to charity. Stay with me and thanks for watching.